Are OPN or ED error codes popping up on the control panel display? This means you are experiencing problems related to the EzDispense. Don't worry, you may be able to solve most of them on your own. If your washing machine is displaying an OPN error code, it means your EzDispense drawer is not fully closed. Or, it means that the drawer was opened during a cycle. All you have to do is fully close the drawer and make sure it does not open during a wash cycle. Your unit may display ED1 or ED3 error code. This means the detergent or softener quantity in the EzDispense compartments did not decrease. Because the detergent or softener was left in the compartments for a long time and has hardened. ED1 indicates the right side compartment. ED3 indicates the left side compartment. To clean a compartment, first turn off the washing machine. Remove the drawer and clean it with warm water and a soft brush. Completely dry the drawer. Reinsert it back into the washing machine. Then run a wash cycle. If error code ED1 or ED3 or OPN continues to be displayed, call your LG Service Center for support. If your unit is displaying either ED2, ED4, or ED5 error code, it means your EzDispense is malfunctioning. Please call your LG Service Center for support.